Hey there, college student. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that can help you to make some extra cash while you are studying. We are going to explore the top 10 side hustle ideas for college students. So let's dive right. Our first side hustle idea is tutoring. As a college student, you have a wealth of knowledge in various subjects. Why not put that knowledge to good use by offering tutoring services? Whether it's maths, science, language training, or even playing an instrument, there are always students who can benefit from your expertise. You can promote your tutoring services through your college bulletin boards, local community centers, or even online platform. So let's start helping others succeed while earning some extra cash. Side hustle number 2 is freelance writing and blogging. If you have a way with words and love with write, this one is for you. Many individuals and businesses are constantly seeking talented writers to create their content for their websites and blogs or social media platforms. You can also start your blog and share your expertise or experience on topics that you are passionate about. Monetize your blog through advertisement or sponsorship and watch your earning. Next up, we have a graphics design. If you have an eye of aesthetics and enjoy creative, visual appealing design, graphics design can be a lucrative side hustle. Businesses and individuals often need logos, social media graphics, or website design. Showcase your talent by creating a portfolio and market your service through social media or freelancing platforms. Help clients elevate their brand visuals while earning money on their site. Social media management is another fantastic side hustle for college students. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs struggle to maintain a consistency and engaging online presence. There where you use your knowledge for different social media platforms to create content, schedule posts, engage with followers and analyze performance metrics. Help businesses grow their online presence while earning some. Side hustle number 5 is virtual assistant. If you are organized, detail oriented and good at multitasking, becoming a virtual assistant can be a great way to earn money remotely. Offer your skill in managing email, scheduling appointment, conducting research and handling administrative tasks. Many busy professionals and entrepreneurs are willing to pay you for your assistance. Are you a photography enthusiast? Side hustle number 6 is photography. Capture moments and memories while earning money on the side. Offer your photography services for event portraits or even product photography. Showcase your portfolio and market yourself locally or online and watch your passion turn into profitable side hustle. If you are passionate about fitness and leading a healthy lifestyle, side hustle number 7 is perfect for you. Become a perfect fitness trainer or offer group fitness classes on or off campus. Obtain the necessary certification and share your knowledge and enthusiasm for fitness with others. Not only will you help people to reach their fitness goals, but you will also earn money doing what you love. Hustle number 8 is perfect for those who have a reliable mode of transportation. Sign up as a delivery partner for local businesses or join platforms like Postmates or deliver food or packages to customers and earn money based on the number of deliveries you complete. It is a flexible way to make money on your schedule. Creative and skilled in crafting or creating artworks. Side hustle number 9 is for the artsy student out. Create unique and handmade craft or artwork and sell them online through platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs. Turn your creativity into a profitable side hustle and share your talent with others. Lastly, side hustle idea number 10 is perfect for those who want to make money in their spare time. Sign up for websites that pay you to complete online survey or micro. While the payout may not be substantial, it is an easy way to earn some extra cash during your breaks or downtime. And that wraps up our list of top 10 side hustle ideas for college students. Remember, choose a side hustle that aligns with your skills, interest and available time. And most important, have fun while earning some extra. Let's quickly recap the main takeaways from today's video. First one is tutoring. Second one is freelance writing or blogging. Third one is graphics design. Number 4 is social media management. Number 5 is virtual assistant. Number 6 is photography. Number 7 is fitness training. Number 8 is delivery or courier services. Number 9 is handmade craft or artwork. And the last one is online survey and marketing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more great content. Until next time, happy side hustling.